Hello everyone, my name is Mike and this is IPO Market Watch. In this video I'm going to show you a brand new company that went public that is one of the best AI infrastructure data center stocks that you should know about, you would want to know about. They're very exciting, they're very awesome, pretty cool company. It's a company that, you know, if you are looking for something to invest in that has to do with artificial intelligence, with data centers, and a lot more, and you ran out of ideas and you think that, you know, I already thought about some things, they already went up, some other stocks that might be around just are complete utter trash, and there's plenty of them that try to make the, you know, take advantage of the AI hype and all that stuff. They're trash, they're gonna burn your money away. But you want to find out a new one, a new company that's actually very legit. They're making a ton of money, they got plenty of cash on the side, and all the big institutional investors want a piece of this company. I'll prove it to you. I'll show you what I mean. They went public yesterday, sort of like a silent mode, stealth mode. A lot of people don't even know about it, and it wasn't even available on many public exchanges yesterday. So if you were trading on Robinhood, you wouldn't have access to it. If you were trading on Schwab, you wouldn't have access to it. Fidelity, I thought it was available on Fidelity, but it wasn't. If you were in Europe, you wouldn't have seen it on Trading 212 or Interactive Brokers, but it was available, surprisingly. It was available on Webull yesterday, which is pretty crazy. So yeah, it was available on Webull. Today, it starts to show signs that it will be available on Trading 212 in Europe and on Fidelity, possibly today. So I'm telling you, this is a good company. You want to know about it. So before we get to that company, by the way, I do have a Discord that is called Bull Market Watch. So Bull Market Watch is about discovering all the best opportunities there is out there. There's tools that you can use that are impossible to trade without. For me personally speaking, I can't trade without them. I have powerful tools that are available, like Dark Pool Live coming in, the Dark Pool data live. I'm telling you, this is very powerful. Golden sweeps, golden options, insider buying, FDA approvals, SEC filings, bot commands, a ton of things. Once you get to know it, I don't think you can trade without it. So if you want to join us, the link will be in the comment section below. We're doing very awesome. And with that being said, let me show you two stocks that I did a YouTube video about in the past that you should keep your eye on big time. The first one is Grab Holdings Limited, GRAB is the ticker symbol. Here is a screenshot of that video that I made with a title saying a $3 stock with massive 100% upside potential. As you can see in my YouTube video, that was back on September 27, 2024, the stock was trading at $3.88. Right now in pre-market, as I am recording this video, it is at $4.22. It went up to $4.50. It's at $4.22 now. It may fall to $4.05 today in regular trading hours. So by the time you see this YouTube video, maybe it'll be trading at $4.05, which would be a blessing for anyone who might be interested in this, right? It would be a blessing for me too, because I would like to add more shares. So guys, the other stock is Lithium Americas Corp. I did a YouTube video for that with the title, a $2 stock explode and blah, blah, blah. Ticker symbol LAC. When I did my YouTube video, guys, it was at $2.89, which was like over 10 days ago. And then after my YouTube video, like 2 days after my YouTube video, the stock went up to $3.81. Incredible gain. And then it drops now to $3.01, and some people, I guess, did not sell, and they're panicking and they're leaving comments and saying, Mike, this is going down, what's going on? Guys, if you paid attention, I'm just being nice now, I'm saying it in a nice way. If you paid attention to my YouTube video, what did I say? Lithium Americas is a lithium mine stock, a company that has not begun mining lithium yet at their Nevada property. The reason why I was bullish when it was at 289 is because I said in the video I'm expecting 3 catalysts. 2 very short-term catalysts and 1 long-term catalyst. The long-term is actually more important than the 2, but either way. The one short-term catalyst was for them to get the other $300-400 million from General Motors, which they actually did, and that's why it ran up to 381. And then, so that was announced and after my YouTube video. And so they got like $657 million investment from General Motors, right? I said in my YouTube video that the second catalyst in the short term that we're expecting this year, within the next 1 month, let's say, and so on, or very soon, within a couple days, we'll see, that next short-term catalyst would be for them to announce that they're going to receive $2.6 billion in funding from the Department of Energy. They haven't gotten that yet, but we expect that they will, and that it's a guarantee, sort of like a guarantee that they will, since they got $700 million from General Motors, right? So when that catalyst is announced, the stock will go up. So now that I covered that and got it out of the way because I had to, because people are leaving a lot of comments, and some people worry what's going on with LIC. Well, that's what's going on. That's how I've, it's always been like that. That's, that was my view from the beginning. Bullish, especially LIC under $3, in my opinion, is a buy. Personally speaking, for me. When I say it's a buy, it's for me. So with that being said, guys, the stock that went public yesterday is ticker symbol NBIS. And if you were in my Discord in Bull Market Watch, you would have known about it before it went public. Yesterday, before it even went public, now it says here 12:18 p.m. That's in Europe, so go back 7 hours, and you're pretty much in early pre-market when NBIS was not trading, because it started trading in regular hours. So I said in pre-market, keeping my eyes on Nebius Group, NBIS, a must-have stock for my long-term portfolio. Currently shows to be trading at $18.94, which was actually what it was halted and stayed there at $18.94 from 2022. This thing was not tradable for like 2 years, and I'll explain the reasons why. And so I said that once it goes public, I will look to hopefully be able to buy this at under $18. I did not expect NBIS to start trading at $18.94. I expected that it would start trading at under $18. And if you look at NBIS right now on most of the exchanges, or you're gonna find something that shows zero, because they're gonna, it shows like it's not trading. It actually is trading, and here it is right now live on Webull. It's trading right now at $19.70. But this is yesterday right here, guys, and yesterday in regular hours, NBIS started trading at $14, under the 18, which I predicted and believed that it would trade. But I was away from my PC, unfortunately. I was away from trading, and I missed that $14 entry. Dumb, and I'm very sad about that. But I was able to pick it up at $16.69, which I had announced yesterday to everyone that I'll buy it at $16.69. It was live, they knew about it. And I sold it at 18. Big mistake, because after that it went to 20. So it went to $20 yesterday. So yeah, I mean, what's going on? It started trading at 14, went to 20, and now it's at 19 something. Why should I be interested, and why should you be interested in this stock? This stock is going to be a $28 stock within the next 12 months, in my opinion. $28 stock. The reasons why, let's go over it and see. So Nebius Group NV is a technology company which provides infrastructure and services for AI builders worldwide. Its business includes Nebius, an AI-centric cloud platform built for intensive AI workloads. Nebius builds full-stack infrastructure for AI, including large-scale GPU clusters, cloud platforms, and tools and services for developers. Now, I did tell you earlier that this stock was halted from 2022. That is because this company was actually part of Yandex, if I pronounce it right. Yandex is pretty much your equivalent Google in Russia, right? And when Russia started the war with Ukraine, immediately Russian companies were halted and delisted from the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and so on due to the sanctions. And Yandex was also out. So when Yandex was out, Yandex started to, within the past 2 years, selling off some of its assets. One of those was Nebius, which was sold off for like $5.8 billion. And that's how we got it to yesterday finally list as a separate company. Now, this tech firm is not just eyeing stock market. It's also committed to over $1 billion to develop cutting-edge AI infrastructure by mid-2025. Keep your eyes on this. And there's a reason why, because 78% of institutional investors own the float of this stock, which is incredible and at the same time volatile, but good for us because volatility can give us possibly an opportunity to see this stock at 16 US dollars again or lower, which would be amazing, and I'm ready to enter at any price from 16.50 and under. Nebius to resume Nasdaq trading after severing ties with Russia and Yandex. Nebius Group announces planned resumption on trading on Nasdaq, and Nebius Group eyes Nasdaq relisting after major Yandex asset sale. And again, on Reuters, Nebius set to resume Nasdaq trading, which happened yesterday. Let's see a quick video about what they actually do, and you'll better understand what this is all about and why I'm excited. And after that video, we'll talk about the financial details, the balance sheet, and why that's also super awesome.
Beautiful and inspiring. Here, we have created one of the most energy-efficient data centers in the world. Nature allows us to cool our servers with mere outdoor air. This complements our mindset of improving every piece of hardware to achieve maximum performance and efficiency. It is here that we have created ISEC, the 16th most powerful supercomputer in the world. We like to set ambitious goals and look for new solutions. For example, how to make a supercluster with 8,000 GPUs to warm the neighboring town. Or create the most advanced AI cloud in Europe. Nebius, the ultimate cloud for AI explorers.
So guys, back on July of 2024, a Russian consortium finalized $5.4 billion deal to acquire the Russian-based asset of Yandex, which is Nebius now. So it says here on Reuters that many of the same Western shareholders have stakes in Nebius, but the company has undergone a significant transformation. Once valued at over $30 billion as Russia's equivalent to Google, Nebius is now a fledgling European technology company focused on AI infrastructure. And how much do those institutional investors own? And we're talking about Western institutional investors, no Russian ties, with a free float of 78.1%, mainly held by Western investors and funds. Extremely high volatility is likely to be felt in the first few days. Let's check out the revenue, guys. This is from 2019 to 2023. Incredible rise in revenue, $9.3 billion. The short-term cash, basically the cash they have on the side, about $3.8 billion, plenty of cash. Total liabilities, just $80 million is what it shows here. The net income here is up. Yeah, and with that being said, guys, and the Nebius right now as I speak is at 1970. I hope and I really hope that I get lucky and it drops to 16 bucks again, because I made a big mistake for selling it at 18. I kind of regret it. This is a very powerful company, and I know this video didn't fully cover what this company is all about. That's because I plan on having a second video that's going to be a lot more focused on full detail, full DD on this company. Overall, very bullish. Let me know in the comment section below. I wish you guys all the best and take care.